All right, so we're outside shooting the eNMEy today. This is a mechanical gun, so it's not gonna have a tremendously high rate of fire. Shooting a stock barrel, stock everything, shooting Valken Infinity paint through our rotor. Here we go. Gotta turn our loader on. It's easy to short stroke, so you gotta make sure you pull it all the way. Great for people who are just getting started. Maybe you're getting into mech play, you're playing tournaments that are 5 balls a second, 5.5. Perfect. eNMEy's mechanical, ansgear.com.